Hi, my name is Ryan Jones with the home selling team with Keller Williams Realty East Valley, and I'm excited to share with you our newest listing that's coming to the market here in the Bridges neighborhood. This home is located at 3297 East Nightingale Lane. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. It has 3,236 square feet of living space, and it sits on a lot just over 8,600 square feet. The home features a beautiful upgraded chef's kitchen with onyx countertops, beautiful stainless steel appliances, the wood-like tile throughout the whole home, and my favorite feature, the 4 bedrooms that have ensuite baths for your convenience. Come and take the tour with us. Thank you for taking the tour with us today. As you can see, this home is light, bright, and ready to entertain. For more information on this home or any other home here in the Bridges, please visit our website at thehomesellingteamaz.com, any of our social media under the Home Selling Team, or for a private showing, you can reach out to me at 619-840-2777. We look forward to hearing from you soon.